I just filmed this whole video and it took me half an hour. And then the footage didn't save. This is why I have trust issues. Hey guys, it's Elma. So today I'm going to be doing a K-pop photocard collection flip through. Except it's not my collection, it's my friends and they are at work. I know this is kind of strange, but hear me out, okay? First of all, they agreed to let me do this. Second of all, they have a better collection than I do because they're like more seriously into collecting and they collect more people basically. Plus, they're more impulsive than I am, which is good because that means that they have a lot of complete collections. So I figured I would just show you, well, these 4 binders. I feel like they might have more, but these are the ones that like I know of and that they use most. So I will be flipping through these. So yeah, we have 4 binders here, 3 of which are 17 based and 1 of them is GOT7. Yeah, let's just start with the 17 ones. So as I said, they have 3 17 binders. The first one is this S.Coups collection that they decided to start when they were visiting my house. Whoops, I guess I don't have a good influence on them. We have this really cute Carrotland binder, which has their Minghao collection. And then we have this binder, which says Joshua and has many Joshua pieces in there. But I do know they also buy as Hoshi, and I think there's some Hoshi in here, and just some random 17 members in general. Okay, let's start with their first collection, which is Minghao. And as you can see, they have this 17 in Carrotland binder, which is so cute. Like, look at this. I'm honestly like sad I didn't get this, especially because the inside is so pretty. And it came with these sleeves as well. So firstly, you just have this picture of 17. And then here is the start of their Minghao collection. I wish I could tell the story behind like every photo card and stuff, but obviously I don't know everything in depth. But yeah, basically we have Boys B and then Love and Letter repackaged version. And then the Going 17 PCs with the 2 unit PCs. Then here we have AL1 or Alone, but yeah, these are so cute. Then we have Teenage, which I think they got for a decent price, like especially compared to Chol. I know they paid over 100 euros for a set, so yeah, this was like a reasonable price, I think. And the photo cards are so cute. Then here we have Director's Cut. I think they also have the Lenti. I don't know why they didn't put it in here. Oh, I think it doesn't fit in here. That's probably why they didn't put it. But yeah, they also have that. Then we move on to You Make My Day. So this is still You Make My Day. And then we move on to You Make My Dawn. Now moving on to an ode. I don't know why they decided to put Hope version first and then the Poet. But honestly, these are like 2 of the prettiest versions like in terms of Minghao photo cards in my opinion, so I do understand. So then here's Real and then Begin. And lastly, the Truth version. And then here we have Hengare. So we have just Hana, Dur, and then Set Net, very pretty. Here we have Semicolon, which are only 2 photo cards. And then Your Choice. And here they have the Social Club Carrot photo books, or photo book PCs, I mean. These are so freaking pretty, and I wish I had the Minghao version of these, but yeah. And then here's Ataka. I don't think they finished it yet, but yeah, some are on the way. So soft. So yeah, that is their Minghao collection. Now let's move on to their Chol collection. They have this really cute keychain. I wish I knew where they got it from. I think it's from a store on Instagram. If I can remember, I will put a link in the description. And then they decorated the front and it's so adorable. Look at this. It says Chol collection and just like it's a really cute picture of him. So like I said, they decided to start this collection in August when they visited me. And it's December right now and they finished it. I don't think all of the PCs are in here because some of them are still on the way. But yeah, they finished it, so that's just incredible. Alright, so basically all of these sleeves like are still on the way. But they have the other versions.
You have to push through it. It's push through it because you will persevere. You will end up
then the Going 17 photo cards.
You'll end up living out your life.
This one they already had and then they sold it for like €7. And when they wanted to repurchase it, they had to pay like €30 or like maybe even more because of shipping. So I felt really bad for them, but they finally got it this week, so it's back in their collection. And we have the 2 unit photo cards here as well. So the one with Jonghan and the one with Joshua. Then we have Alone, L1. So the teenage set, like I said, is on the way. Yeah, they paid a lot of money for that, so I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's like all filled up. Then we have Director's Cut, You Make My Day. They ordered these in a group order with me. They just basically cleaned all of the tall ones, so love that for them. And then we have the You Made My Dawn photo cards.
I'm sure I'll see you guys tomorrow or another day.
And this one is still on the way. And now we move on to an ode. Now I do think, yeah, they did put this in order, I think. So I don't know what they did with the Minghao one, I should ask, but yeah. So we have Begin. Then we have The Poet. And Hope. I'm just obsessed with the beret photo cards, like they're so pretty. We have Truth, one of which is on the way as well.
You love me?
And lastly, we have Real Version. Alright, so then we move on to Hengare, and we have the Hana version. One of the Dur versions is still on the way. Then we have Set and Net version. This one is so cute. I own this one as well, and I will never get rid of it just because it's so adorable. Alright, then we have Semicolon, and they also put in these like this Going 17 magazine and this In the Soup PC here because Semicolon only has 2 photo cards, so they wanted to fill it up. And it does fit in my opinion, it's very cute.
Not be hot anymore.
Then we have Your Choice. I really love these little inserts that they made. It's so adorable.
I could just press this button on my keyboard.
And then we have Ataka or Ataka, or I still don't know how to say it, but yeah. This one,
it's now on.
Actually just the whole OP one. It's just so adorable, I love it. And then OP3. Here is one carrot version and the rest is on the way. So that was their S.Coups collection, and yeah, it's just so cute and I really love the way they decorated this as well. Okay, so now moving on to this binder. It's a small binder and they once again decorated it so adorably. Yeah, like I said, it does say Joshua. They were working on properly collecting Joshua and Hoshi, and then they sold half of their collection, or actually probably like 90%. And then they regretted it, so now they want to collect them again, but like casually. Anyways, so here's their Joshua collection. Oh, this is so cute. So this is is it Hitori Janai? I think it is. And then here we have 2 and Ode Real Version ones. So adorable. Oh, like I said, there's also Hoshi in this binder. So we suddenly have these Hoshi ones. I think these are from You Make My Day. Moving back to Joshua, we have these, just so cute. These an Ode Hope version ones, which are so adorable. And then a Hengare Dur version one. If I mess up the versions, by the way, I'm doing this like from the top of my head, so I might mess up some. I'm very sorry in advance. So here they have 2 Hoshi Hengare photo cards as well, and then a Hoshi Real Version photo card. Like I said, this binder is a bit random just because they sold a lot of their collection. But still, I thought I should show you regardless because they do have a lot of photo cards. These 2 stunning, wonderful, beautiful Social Club Carrot photo cards, just wow. And another Hoshi Hengare. Here are some random Minghao PCs, probably because they are like non-album inclusions, so that's why they put it in here, I think. So we have the Going 17 one in the soup, and then we have the Carrot membership one. Then we have a Hoshi Going 17 magazine one, a Hoshi in the soup, and also the Hoshi membership photo card. And then we have the same for Joshua, so Going 17 in the soup and the membership photo card. Now we move on to Ataka. These, beautiful, stunning. I absolutely love these. And then Tiny Hosh, which is so cute. Then we once again have OP2, and this is Joshua, Hoshi, and Jongwon. This one is just so beautiful. I absolutely love the OP2 like vocal unit concept. This is so pretty. And then we have OP3, Hoshi, and Joshua. And that's it. So that's that for their third binder, which is just like mainly Joshua and Hoshi, but also some Minghao and like other members. Actually, I said that was it, but I now realize that they have one side for Joshua and the other side for Hoshi. So on the spine they have Kwon Soon-young and Hong Jisoo, which is very pretty. And then here they have like the Hoshi side. Oh, I now get like, if you like scroll through it this way, you see Hoshi, so that's probably like why they did that. Anyways, I know this says Soon-young and this is a picture of Joel. I don't know. I really don't know, okay? They have a very interesting way of doing this, but yeah. I think these are Carrotland photo cards, so they just put these ones are from Chol and from Hoshi. And then this adorable Dogam sheep photo card from the Social Club Carrot photo cards, and just like, it's so cute. They also have Josh and S.Coups for these cards as well. Then they have this Minghao. It's a fan signed PC, I'm pretty sure, from Into Park. Or a pre-order benefit, I can't be too sure. But yeah, from Ataka. And then we have a Hoshi one as well, also from Into Park. So that's very cute. So then like, I think that was actually it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was actually it. So now let's move on to their GOT7 collection. So for GOT7 they collect Bam Bam, and I'm pretty sure they finished his whole collection. Once again it says Bam Bam on the side, very cute. And yeah, they decorated it very adorably. So let's get started. First we have these Breath of Love Last Piece photo cards. Once again, very cute, decorated. This stunning Polaroid. I absolutely love the Polaroid photo cards that GOT7 has. And more from the Breath of Love ones. Oh, and there's another one here. And then we move on to Die. These are just so pretty. Like, it just looks like royalty. I love it. Like the backs as well. It just looks so luxurious. I love it. And here we have more of Die. Oh, and there's another one here. Then we move on to Present You. They have, oh, this one I sent to them, like a pre-order clear card, and this one as well. Then we move on to Present You and Me.
Yeah, you're
very adorable. I love how GOT7 have so many photo cards. It's just like really satisfying to me. This is my sign that I should like fully start collecting Jin Young. I have a bunch of his photo cards, but like not everything. Anyways, here's another one. And then we move on to a Spinning Top. This one, he just looks so rich. I love it. And another one. And then we go to You Calling My Name, or Call My Name actually. And another one here. It kind of sucks that a lot of the times GOT7 has like 7 photocard, so it doesn't fit fully in these 3 sleeves, but I still think they organized it pretty well. Anyways, more spinning top. I'm not sure why they put like spinning top here and then here. I've got to ask them someday. And then these 7x7 photocards. These are so cute. And then we have look or eyes on you.
Sapnap. I can't believe.
Then we move on to their older photo cards. Look how tiny he was, it's so cute. This one as well. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to like, I totally zoned out. I forgot to name the versions. Anyways, so this is from Flight Log Turbulence, I think. And this is from Flight Log Arrival.
Love you guys.
And then this is so adorable. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is from their debut album, and I think this is a Japanese release. Yeah, from New Era. So that's it for their Bam collection. Alright, so that's it for this video. I flipped through my friend's photo card collection while they were at work. Yeah, like I said, they didn't mind me doing this. Make sure to follow them on Instagram if you want to see more of their collection and also their journal spreads. Their journal spreads are amazing. I mean, look at this binder. Like, if they can make a binder look this aesthetic, then yeah, you can only imagine how beautiful their journal spreads are. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit random, but yeah, I'm over at my friends in Austria and I just thought, why not? But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed nonetheless, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!